Spread it like.
Good morning, teachers and fellow students. We hope you all are doing well and staying safe. We welcome you to the Form 3R assembly. We have prepared a skit on the comical and problematic events that happen during online classes. Despite the current state of the country, we all tried our best to put together an entertaining assembly for all of you. As you know, we cannot see or hear your reactions, but we really hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing good. How was online school so far? This is getting annoying, guys. Fine, I'm going to pick on some of you. How about Tiana? Tiana, are you there? Okay then, Tiana. I'll mark you absent.
Meanwhile,
Go send it my assignment. Present.
Okay, next, Shrenik,
Present.
Afra,
Present, Miss.
Michaela. Michaela, you there? Okay, she's absent. Kids, tell these people to join, please.
a few minutes later.
Miss, did you mark me absent? Because I'm here. I just joined late.
Michaela, you're 10 minutes late.
I was bathing my cat.
I thought you didn't have a pet. Also, cats wash themselves.
My cat's built different. Yeah.
Let's see who can answer the fifth question. How about Netumli?
Miss, hand's not even up. Let me answer.
I asked Netumli, so you will get a chance. So please be patient. She left. How about Raika?
Miss, I think the answer is...
That's weird. How about Amora?
Miss, I think the answer is...
Miss Charnul is kicking me out the meeting. Miss, can you tell him to stop? Thank you, Miss.
Morning class. How is everyone today?
Good, Miss.
Okay, so let's start the lesson. Tiana, can you tell me what the functions of the cell membrane are? Tiana, you're not supposed to eat in class. Please put it away now.
Got it.
Now start with workbook page 180.
What page, Miss? I couldn't hear you.
I got muted. How did that happen?
I don't know, miss. Can you just repeat the question?
It's 180.
Miss, you're mute.
But how everyone is attendees? Wait, Hansa, Kevin, and Vidushi are presenters. Then who was it?
Miss, it was Vidushi, not me. It was Vidushi.
Miss, you know I wouldn't do anything like that.
Okay, if you don't own up, I'll. Hansa, why are you muting me?
Sorry, miss, I was just joking. Miss, did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Why?
I was also just joking around. Meeting, please respond. Talib.
Meanwhile,
Talib, what have you sent on the group chat? What is this? Is it a game code or something? You playing game during class?
No, miss. It's an old picture.
Right, Carter, can you please turn your camera and mic on and answer my question?
Miss, my camera isn't working.
Oh, okay, right. That's fine.
Okay, then Jordan, can you answer this question? Jordan,
Yes, miss.
what did you write for question 3? John, did you turn into a dog or something? Hello? Hello, students? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, miss, we can.
Okay, good. Now someone tell me what are the 2 types of forces?
Miss, can I answer?
Yeah, go for it.
Miss, the 2 types of forces are... Nanga, where's the toothpaste? I'm in the middle of class.
Okay, I need it. Where is it?
It's in the kitchen.
Okay.
No, it's in the bathroom.
Riker, your mic is unmuted.
Ayan, Ayan, can you hear me? Ayan. Guys, what is wrong with y'all? I'm going to tell your class teacher if this keeps happening.
Miss, he is in the meeting and his mic was working during register marking.
It's okay. Let's move on with the lesson. So,
a few minutes later.
Sorry, miss. Did you call me? I was at the bathroom.
Okay, at least you are honest. Nitumi, why is your hand raised? Miss, I was wondering why. Mandy, I'm in a class and asking you a question. Okay, fine. Okay. Miss, I'm sorry, I have to go. I'll be back. It's fine. It's fine.
Thanks, Ride. That was a good answer. Anyone else want to add on to that answer? If no one is going to answer, then I have no choice but to pick on someone. Please answer, kids. What about Joachim? Is that your name?
Yes, sir.
What kind of charge does a neutron have, Joachim?
Sir, it's Shrenik, not Joachim.
I can't hear you at all, Joachim Kagu. Did you hear what he said, children? I think he has very bad connection.
Sir, I think he said his name was Shrenik.
Tarini Puta, please move to another place. Very loud and there's a lot of disturbance.
Sorry, sir.
Mama, the connection is back. This teacher keeps on calling me Joachim. It's so... why did you name me that?
So tell him it's Shrenik.
Okay, Shrenik, please mute your mic, Puta. Don't be disrespectful.
Oh.
Does anyone know the answer?
Miss, I'm not sure, but can I try at least?
Yes, please go on.
Well, Miss, I think that the database on your screen...
Why have you spilled water all over the sink and not washed the plate?
Amma, I'm in class, for God's sake. Thank God I muted my... Oh, no.
Amanda, I understand that there is a lot of disturbance around you because we are working from home, but please learn to mute your mic. We don't need to know about you not washing your dishes, darling. Now answer the question. Amanda?
Yeah.
Are you
Yes,
there?
I'm here. I think that databases are a great way to store and organize information. And Access helps with a lot of...
Amanda?
Since Amanda is a bit busy, who else can answer? Raise your hands, please.
When did India give women the right to vote? Okay, let's pick someone. Yashara. Yashara? Yashara. I can see you're here. I know that you're there. Yashara. I can see you're here. I know that you're there.
Miss, is it 1950?
Okay, that's a Googled answer, but you're correct. Okay, everyone, you have the assignment I told you about last week, due at 3 p.m. Okay, everyone, you have the assignment I told you about last week, due at 3 p.m. So please don't forget.
What assignment? 3-page project on... Oh God, this is too much. I'm gonna...
Children, I'll have to move the deadline to 2 p.m. because there'll be an island-wide power cut. I just got a notification.
Oh my, why? God, how do I do this? Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh no.
Amora, you did do your assignment, right?
Yeah, miss, I did it. Oh no.
Yes, online learning is challenging, not only for the students, but also for the teachers. It's easy to be ungrateful in these hard times, but we have to realize that we're privileged enough to go on with our lives in a somewhat normal way. We have found that the best way to go about it is to treat online school just as you would physical school. The previous night, sort out your books for the next day. Remember those special item requests if you have PE or art. Have all these items in your learning space. In the morning, come washed and dressed neatly with your drink, snack and water. This way, you don't have to use your break run around finding things. Use a short break for bathroom visits and quick snacks, and the longer break for more substantial snack. Our job at this point of our lives is to learn.
Many of our parents are struggling because the pandemic has affected many businesses. Let's not make it any harder for them. Always remember to appreciate the little things in life. Thank you.
Hi everyone. We hope you enjoyed our skit and found it entertaining. Even though our assembly was online and we couldn't have as much as fun as we would in physical school, we had a blast putting this skit together. So, we have prepared some bloopers and behind the scenes. We hope you enjoy!
I think it's very slow. Like Riker's brain.
Funny.
I know, that's why I said it.
Yummy, hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
What? You smart toy. They told me you should cut off my face. Stop laughing. Okay.
You have to add Shrek stretching in the group pages. You're adding that.
Jordan, answer my question. Jordan,
Yes, please.
what did you write for question 3? Jordan, did you turn into a bark or something? Oh my god.
Yeah, I turned into a bark.